Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import AI memories to Gemini from other apps using a new feature update. So let's get started. Now first, you want to open your browser and go to Gemini, then log into your account as usual. Once you're inside, you want to head over to the bottom left corner and click on Settings and Help, this icon. From here, you'll see the option called Import Memory to Gemini. Now, this is the feature that lets you bring in your past chat style preferences and memory from other AI tools so Gemini can respond more like you're used to. So let's go ahead and click on this one. And here's how it works. If you've been using another AI assistant for a long time, like ChatGPT, it already understands your tone, your habits, and the way you ask questions. Now, this feature allows you to transfer that information so Gemini can match that same style of interaction. To do this, all you have to do is copy this prompt right over here. So go ahead and copy this one, copy this, and paste it to your other AI provider like ChatGPT. Now, from here, what you need to do is you have to copy its reply. Then go back to Gemini, and then on the second field, what you want to do is you want to you want to paste all the information right over here, paste the answer into the second field, and once you confirm it and click add memory, Gemini will store it. And basically, that's it. Your AI now starts responding based on your imported memory, meaning it understands your preferences, tone, and behavior much better from the start. So instead of starting fresh, you're basically carrying your AI personality across different tools, making Gemini feel more personalized and familiar right away. And that's about it. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!